What's good, you guys? It's your boy Brian with Mobile Detailing. So today we have a Tesla Model 3 in for a maintenance detail. The time is actually 8:30 right now. We got here around 8:10ish, something like that. So we've been here about 20 minutes. So you guys can see here, this is the inside of the Tesla. He vacuumed this side here, and while he vacuumed over here, I detailed over there. We have the product that I'm using right here, which is just 303. Brand new orange towel and my toner door to kind of blow in between the cracks and crevices. Vacuumed out the trunk, and then we'll just wash it. So we should be out of here by 9. Let's just, you know what I'm saying, not jinx it, but we should be out of here by 9. We are here at the second car of the day. We have 9:48 a.m. on the watch right now. So I just sprayed down the greaser all over the wheels and the wheel well. We're gonna go ahead and rinse them off nice and thoroughly. This car's a maintenance detail as well, so you guys can see it's shining, it's looking good, it's looking clean. It's ceramic coated, so it should be a pretty easy and simple wash process. The interior is gonna get a vacuum. You guys see the condition that it's in, and a quick wipe down. Guys, so it's 10:27. We just got done with the detail on this maintenance detail here. So as you guys can see, interior was vacuumed and wiped down. Door jambs were cleaned, rims and tires were cleaned, and the tire shine, right? Got the back nice and vacuumed, wiped down. Wasn't terrible. All the water like in between the cracks and crevices was dried up, as you guys saw in the video. And now we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick wax wipe down, but it's all done now. So we're heading off to the next one, and we'll meet you guys there. So 10:28. Let's see what time we get to the next one. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? So it's currently 11:01, and we have made it to our third vehicle today. So we have a Kia right behind me. I'm not too sure on what the model is, but this car is gonna be fully transformed. We have a bronze package, so this car is gonna get a detail both interior and exterior. It's our bronze package, so we're gonna go ahead and take you guys along with us a little bit throughout the detail because we do have a little bit of work to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera. You guys see I'm drenched in sweat, getting super hot, but hey, it's what it is, you know what I'm saying? So the Kia is in need of a good detail. Outside is pretty straightforward. We're gonna clean out the gas cap, clean out the door jambs. You guys can see these door jambs are pretty filthy. Clean up the dirt pool, roof, everything like that. This car's gonna look so nice once we're done. I'm excited to get it cleaned up. This is the look at the interior here. This side right here is a little bit dirty, has a lot of leaves and stuff like that, so we'll probably start vacuuming this section here first, and then we'll work around the rest of the vehicle. So you guys see it, it's 11. Let's see how long we take for this car. So we're gonna start with the interior, and then we'll do the outside wash and stuff like that. Guys, we are here at the last car of the day. We have 127 on the clock. We have a Audi TT. Gonna do a bronze package detail, so we're gonna go ahead and vacuum it up, detail, wipe it down, and wash the exterior. So super nice car. It is black paint, so we're gonna wait on the wash for now. We'll just start with the interior, so that way we're not messing with the water or anything like that. So there we go. You guys see it. Let's see if we can finish by 2 o'clock. So this right here is gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm looking a little rough. I need to go get a haircut. I need to get right for the weekend. But hopefully you guys have a great rest of your weekend, you guys. Comment down below any questions, any concerns on the tools and products that we were using throughout the day. So appreciate y'all. Hustle never study, you guys. I'm gonna try to bring you guys short little videos like this on a consistent basis, where I just take you guys along with me throughout the day. Not too much tutorials or anything like that. Just follow me, you know what I'm saying? Just follow me along. So all done. Appreciate y'all. Mendez Mode Detailing out.